Hello everyone, in this video I will be going over how I personally identify the cranial nerves when given an image like this on examinations. So when you take step one, they will give you an image similar to this unlabeled, and then they will ask you a question about a cranial nerve and expect you to know the locations of all these cranial nerves. Now, the trick that I use to personally orient myself is that I know that cranial nerves 3, 6, and 12 are relatively in the center. So this is going to be cranial nerve 3, this is going to be cranial nerve 6, and these are going to be cranial nerve 12. So these are going to be relatively in the center. So if you double 3, you get 6. If you double 6, you get 12. So this is another way in which you can remember this. So in the midbrain, we have cranial nerve 3, and then when we get to the pons, we're going to double it to get 6, and then in the medulla, we're going to double it again to get cranial nerve 12. Now this is going to be the optic nerve, and this is kind of easy to identify because it's so different from the rest. And right next to the 3, we're going to have cranial nerve 4. And when we get to cranial nerve 6 over here, we know that trigeminal nerve is a huge nerve because it has three different subdivisions. It has V1, V2, V3. So because of that, we know that this is going to be the trigeminal nerve. And then when we get to 6, we know that 6 is in the center. All we're going to do is count up to 12. So we're going to see next to 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and finally 12. So that is how I personally orient myself to identify these cranial nerves. Hopefully this video helps. Thank you for watching.